Item number 1. Wait, please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
My Lord, as directed by Lordship, the last order, my Lord, we have filed an additional affidavit. Lordship is directed to bring on record the number of applications pending with regard to, my Lord, felling of trees in the East Khasi Hills district. My Lord, this is with regard to felling of trees in a locality known as Lower New Colony in Shillong. However, in the last order, Lordship has directed us to bring a list of the pending applications, my Lord. My Lord, the order was 7th of February 2024. My Lord.
You filed an affidavit.
My Lord,
Where is the affidavit?
the affidavit was filed on the 26th of February, my Lord.
Where is the affidavit?
My Lord, Annexure 1, page 5 will show the data, my Lord. There's a table, my Lord, that runs to 3 pages, my Lord, 5, 6, and 7. Those are the application, my Lord, presently. My Lord, from page 8 to remaining are the applications of individual applicant, my Lord. We have enclosed those. The table, my Lord, will show.
So no application has been disposed of with an
No,
order.
my Lord. After Lordship has passed an order, my Lord, we have kept all the applications on abeyance, my Lord.
And before passing the order, is there any
My
disposed
Lord,
of application?
there has to be few, my Lord, but after the passing of this Lordship's order,
No, disposed of application have you carried out through the felling?
my Lord, some has not been carried out. So, my Lord, we are getting calls from the concerned applicants of what are to be done. So, my Lord, verbally we have instructed not to proceed. However, they have been permitted also, my Lord. But these are the applications which are yet to be, my Lord, disposed of.
No, disposed of applications where felling has not taken place. What is the...
My Lord, a clear picture, my Lord, accurate information, my Lord, I may not have, but there are few, my Lord, who has not action has not taken place, my Lord, which the application permission has been given. But, my Lord, the entire application has been kept on abeyance, my Lord.
20 trees, 19 trees, 12 trees.
My lord, the reason, my lord, it is in column number 4, my lord. Most of these trees are old, as well as they pose danger to the pedestrian, my lord.
How?
My lord, the application. So, my lord, we are yet to go for inspection because the next procedure after the application is filed. We go for spot inspection, my lord, as per the rules. So, only after, my lord, determining that it is actually true, then we give permission. Otherwise, my lord, we reject the applications. We don't directly permit by virtue of an application filed to the office. So, spot inspection is, my lord, the vital steps, my lord, which we decide.
Show us one or two applications.
My lord, page number 8 will be the first application, my lord. That has been filed by one Mrs. Paul, my lord. This is in Beaver Road, my lord. It is within her property.
Page 8 of the affidavit.
My lord. She is applicant number 1, my lord, in our table. My lord, that is a standard form, my lord, which is given, my lord. And they have to submit, while submitting the application, my lord, the form is filled, and they have to show that whether it's a private property or it's a public area, my lord. So the hard document goes till page number 15, my lord. So apparently, my lord, this appears like this is in her land, my lord. My lord, page 10, my apology, my lord, 9 and 10. So that is her property document, my lord. Then, my lord, second applicant is at page number 11. It appears this is in his property.
This form is prescribed by the rules.
My lord, yes, this is a standard form, my lord. As per the Meghalaya felling of trees, my lord, preservation of trees. My lord, it is at the top of the form, my lord, it's written Meghalaya Tree Prevention Rules 1976. So these rules being carried out, my lord. My lord, may kindly appreciate, even if it's in the property, my lord, if it's not feasible, we don't allow it also, my lord, in certain cases. It is not necessary that if it's within the property also permission are not granted, considering the ecology and the environment concern, my lord.
That an annexure should be included in the form, how it has become dangerous. They should inspect and give a report to what extent it is dangerous and whether it can be saved by clipping, part chopping, felling, etc., without exterminating the tree. And then imminent danger. You wish to say anything, petitioner? You wish to say anything?
My lord, at para number 3 of my affidavit, we have clearly stated that in order to avoid any indiscriminate falling of trees, my lord, So we do not randomly give permission, my lord. So we have clearly stated in our affidavit also, my lord. We do not permit, my lord. Unless the inspection shows that there's a threat to the inhabitants, my lord.
This public interest, please take down. This public interest litigation seeks to prevent illegal or irregular felling of trees in the lower New Colony area, Laitumkra, paragraph. By our order dated 7th February 2025, we directed the state respondents to file an affidavit to disclose all pending applications for felling of trees in the above region. We directed that those applications should be processed in accordance with the Meghalaya Tree Preservation Closed Act 1976 and the Meghalaya Tree Preservation Closed Rules 1976. The decision in each of these applications were directed to be disclosed. Full stop. In respect of decisions already made allowing felling of trees, but not executed by felling would be kept in abeyance and the decisions reviewed by the respondent authorities. Paragraph. The state respondents were directed to file an affidavit by 2/8 February 2025. They have accordingly done so. The affidavit and the annexures to it show that some systematic action is being taken by the state respondents. Full stop. Annexure 1 shows the number of pending applications, the request in each of the applications, now the request in terms of number of trees to be felled in each of the applications, the reason cited by the owner of the tree. Now, the reason cited by the applicant for felling and details of the inspection report and the status of the application. Further, we find that all the applications are pending consideration. The number of trees requested to be felled in the applications ranges from 2 TWO to 89. Full stop. The reason cited by each and every applicant for requesting felling of trees is quotation tree posing danger to human life. But now these applications are in accordance with a format described as Form 1 to Rule 3 within bracket 1, Meghalaya Tree Preservation Rules 1976. The reason for felling indicated the reason for felling is sought in serial number 6 of the form. One of the reasons is within brackets 5 has become dangerous to life and property within quotation. Paragraph. This form is prescribed by the rules. Full stop. We cannot order alteration in the form. Full stop. Nevertheless, we direct the state respondents to instruct each and every applicant to append an annexure to the form stating while advancing the reason quotation has become dangerous to life and property, unquote. Please read out. Just sentence.
Nevertheless, we direct the state respondents to restore each and every applicant to append and annexure to the form with attaching reason, quote,
Yes. Continuation stating in detail how the tree has become dangerous to life and property. The state respondents shall thereafter inspect the property and the trees standing thereon, if they do find that the tree has become, quotation, dangerous to life and property, unquote, first of all, they will try to maintain the tree by taking appropriate measures like clipping the trunk and branches or chopping off a part of the tree, retaining the rest. Full stop. Only if that does not suffice should a decision be taken to fell the tree. Not maintain the tree, you need to preserve the tree. Only in case of a tree which is so imminently dangerous, so dangerously situated that damage is imminent, should the respondents fill it immediately. The respondent shall process the applications in the above annexure in accordance with our observations and directions above. And file a report in this court before the returnable date. At the moment, no tree should be felled unless it is imminently dangerous and would cause substantial damage. If allowed to stand. Even before this court is in a position to hear out the writ application. March 26th.
My lord, I have just calculated from the 13th application, it's around 189 trees, my lord. So I'll be requiring more time, my lord. If lordship may kindly give us a month's time, my lord. Because each of the trees have to be inspected, my lord.
On 9th April.
My lord.
Item number 2.
कैसे नीचे हो जा रहा है? उसको हटा देना ये चेयर पर रोज रोज हो रहा है. Yes.
My lord, this is an application preferred by the state, my lord. The issue pertains to the relocation of the Harijan Panchayat community colony, my lord. My lord, on the last occasion, Advocate General has apprised this honorable court that an application, we have approached the central government, my lord, for allotting additional area, my lord, land for the relocation. So, my lord, my instruction is we have not received any response from the central government, my lord.
So we are further adjourning it for 2 weeks.
My lord,
4 weeks.
my lord, if it can be, as per my senior friend here, my lord, 4 weeks, because 2
Or by
weeks. my lord.
consent of learned counsel for the parties, this appeal and the corrected applications are adjourned till two weeks.
My
Four
lord, 4
weeks.
weeks.
First week of April.
8th April, Tuesday.
Item number 3.
This is a writ appeal, my lord. I have filed my paper book, my lord. Your lordships kindly have the paper book.
Have you served?
Yes, my lord.
My lord, before my senior colleague starts, my lord, the paper book which have been served to us, Additional Advocate General is leading this matter, my lord. He has informed that the copy which have been served to us are not in order, my lord. The paginations and the paragraphs are not in order, my lord.
But I'll check, my lord.
He has marked also, my lord, if Lordship, if my friend can help us with the corrected copy.
Otherwise, the issue is very short, my lord. I will rely only on a few pages, my lord. Here, my lord, we are seeking for, my lord, notional retrospective promotion, my lord. We have been promoted, but there's an inordinate delay of 5 years, my lord, in holding the DPC. And my lord, that delay has not been explained. And it is my case, my lord, that the delay was caused because, my lord, there was a malified intention by the department, which was waiting for regularization of 9 senior ad hoc employees, my lord. We were at serial number 10, 11, and 12, my lord. Now, 5 years they did not hold the DPC because they were waiting for regularization of these ad hoc employees. Now, had these 9 employees been, my lord, regularized, my lord, we won't have been promoted at all, my lord. We are regular employees, my lord, with effect from 2009. So it's only that short question, my lord.
So what has happened? The 9 have been regularized.
No, my lord, they have not. Therefore, my lord,
Your clients are 9.
my lord, 10, 11, and 12. If your lordships has the gradation list, your lordships has page 51 of the paper book. Now, this is a notice, my lord, calling for the DPC. This is on 11th of November 2019. No, my lord, this is not the notice, but your lordships may kindly have. Sorry, my lord. Page 47. 47 is the notice. Calling for the DPC, my lord. This is dated 6th of November. DPC fixed on 11th November. Now, on the next page, at page 48, page 48, my lord, is the existing gradation list. Now, your lordships, serial number 10, 11, and 12 are the petitioners. Were the petitioners, my lord, are the appellants. On the right side of the column of the table, my lord, for serial number 1 to 9, it says, my lord, serial number 1 to 9 cannot be promoted to UDA as the case is lying pending with the personal department for regularization.
Why? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Now I draw your lordship's attention to page 77. Now this is the note at page 77 which was placed before the DPC, my lord. So on the 11th of November 2019, this is the note which was placed before the DPC. If I may read, my lord. Page 77, my lord. May I read it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. It reads, there are 4 numbers of UDA posts lying vacant. On being promoted to DHA, the first post of Srimati so-and-so was with effect from 1/5/2012, the first vacancy. The second post, Srimati so-and-so, with effect from 1/1/2013. The third post with effect from 1/12/2014. And the fourth post with effect on superannuation with effect from 31/7/2019. So we have three appellants. So the post became vacant with effect from 2014, 13, 14 and 19, my lord. Now, what it says, my lord, it says it may be reported that DPC could not be held. DPC could not be held during the course of time as the office is anticipating the regularization of senior LDA staffs, which are yet to be regularized by the government. Till date. So the reason given is there has been intentional delay of more than 5 years in holding the DPC because they were waiting for regularization of the service of certain doc employees, my lord, to our detriment, my lord. Now, it is my case, my lord. Then, my lord,
You are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
10, 11, 12, my lord. Regular employees, my lord. So they were waiting for a regularization of 1 to 9. They were waiting for the regularization of 1 to 9 and did not hold the DPC for so many years, my lord, to my detriment. Now, my lord, at page 76 is the recommendation of the DPC. DPC, my lord, by this recommendation dated 11th November 2019, has recommended that in view of the inordinate delay, my lord, the three petitioners, my lord, three appellants, may be promoted with effect from the date when they became eligible, my lord. That is 5 years earlier, that is 2014. So it is only this question, my lord, the intentional delay by the department in not holding the DPC, my lord, for more than 5 years. That is my case, my lord.
So they've given you promotion from 2014?
No, my lord, they have given from 2019. The government has not accepted the recommendation of the DPC. Your lordships may kindly have the order.
No, the government is different from page 77. It's a government circular.
Yes, my lord, yes, my lord. Now, it has to be sent to the personal department, I think, my lord, for, if your lordships can we have page 53 now.
23.
5-3, my lord, 5-3. So, upon considering the DPC's recommendation, this order is office order dated 3rd of March 2020. So, we were promoted in 2020. It reads, my lord, on approval of the Departmental Promotion Committee communicated by Deputy Chief Engineer, so-and-so, Shillong, dated 28 February 2020, the following LDA are hereby promoted to UDA, by vacancy arisen due to promotion of so-and-so and so on. Allowance administration.
Where is the date?
Yes, my lord, I'll just come to that. Yes, my lord. This, the same page 53, in the middle it reads, my lord, hereby promoted to UDA with effect from the date of joining. So this is 3rd of March 2020, bottom of the page, my lord, on the right side. So with effect from the date of joining, they have not accepted the recommendation of the DPC to get notional promotion with effect from when they became eligible, my lord, which is at page 76. The recommendation, my lord. So, my lord, my case is that The delay was intentional. We being regular employees, we were placed at number 10, 11 and 12. And for 5 years, they were waiting for a regularization of 9 employees, ad hoc employees ahead, my lord. Now this, my lord, affects our career advancement, my lord, and future promotions also, my lord. The impugned order passed by the single bench is at page 81. This issue was not considered by the learned single judge.
Page 81.
Page 81 is the judgment, my lord, by the learned single judge. Now, the learned single judge, my lord, from paragraph 10 onwards at page 87, my lord, has cited certain judgments. Page 87. Now, my lord, I am also relying on the same judgments because these judgments, my lord, if your lordships kindly have page 88, para 3 of that particular judgment. It says, my lord, if delay in promotion is found attributable to malified act, that is deliberately delaying holding DPC, depriving eligible candidates the right to be promoted, causing prejudice. So this is my case, my lord. They were waiting for regularization of 9 other employees, my lord. Had they been regularized, my lord, I would have lost my opportunity of promotion, my lord, which was due to me.
Promotion was given in
2020, my lord. And it was due in 2014. DPC did not sit from 2012 until 2019.
DP date?
My lord,
DP, date of the DP?
of the DPC, my lord, 11th of November 2019, page 76, my lord.
What happened on 11th of November?
11th November, my lord, page 76. This is the recommendation of the DPC. DPC has recommended that they should be, because of the delay, my lord, in holding the DPC, therefore, they should be promoted with effect from the date they were due for consideration, my lord. Page 76. After page 76, my lord, recommendation of the DPC, the same was forwarded to the government for approval, my lord. And page 53 order says with effect from the date of joining, my lord. They have declined to give the notional promotion with effect from the date being eligible.
You were LDA,
LDA, my lord.
5 of you.
No, only three. Only three. Only the first three, my lord. Serial number 10.
So have they given promotion to somebody else? Or it is vacant?
No, my lord, given. Promotion has been given, but we are seeking for retrospective promotion, my lord, because of the delay caused by the department in holding the DPC for more than 5 years, my lord, which is affecting our career, my lord, advancement in future. My lord, we are seeking for only notional promotion, my lord. We are not asking for any financial, my lord, benefits.
When was the promotion effected?
My lord, page 53, my lord, 3rd of March 2020. This is the order of promotion.
So you are also a warrant officer now? No, sorry.
No, UDA, my lord.
LD, UDA.
UDA, with effect from 2020.
And on what ground learned single judge has dismissed the application?
My lord, my lord, we have no right, my lord, to claim for retrospective promotion. And my lord, at page 87 of the judgment, para 10, the learned single judge has cited the judgments of the Supreme Court and Delhi High Court, my lord. Now, I'm also relying on the same judgment. The exception, my lord, given in these judgments, my lord. If your lordships have page 88, para 3. Page 88, para 3, somewhere in the middle, my lord. If delay in promotion is found attributable to a malefied act, if delay in promotion is found attributable to malefied act, that is deliberately delaying holding DPC, depriving eligible candidates the right to be promoted, causing prejudice. So this is a ground on which a retrospective promotion can be given, my lord.
All right. We will hear you tomorrow. So now there is another bench.
Lordship, yes, tomorrow I'll.
You have concluded?
I have concluded, my lord. Very short point, my lord.
Learned counsel for the appellant concludes his argument. Let this appeal retain its position in the list to hear the respondents.
Lordship. Highly obliged.
Item number 1.
Please, Your Lordships.
Yes, please.
Lordship, I have one prayer. This matter may be adjourned for a day, Lordship. Lordship, this matter
We
is...
are sitting specially for this matter. His Lordship's list is full, so is ours.
Lordship,
You should have considered that.
Lordship,
You're for the appellant.
yes, Lordship, for state appellate, Lordship.
Where is the learned Advocate General?
Lordship, he is on legs before the learned apex court, Lordship.
Sorry?
He's on legs before the honorable apex court, Lordship.
What do you say?
Your Lordship, no objection, Your Lordship.
We will notify a date when we will sit. Is hearing ready for hearing?
Lordship, the matter has been heard and as per last or the order dated 20th November, Lordship, the Advocate General has already commenced with the arguments, Lordship, so it's part heard. And Lordship, we have already submitted our note of submissions also.
Yes, please take down learned counsel for the appellants. Praise for adjournment of this appeal on the ground that the learned Advocate General is engaged in a matter in the Supreme Court. Stop. Next line, learned counsel for the respondents does not oppose the prayer for adjournment. Paragraph. As this bench is not a regular bench but sitting specially for this appeal, we shall notify in advance the next date of hearing of this appeal.
Much obliged.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 2.
May it please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I am seeking some accommodation, Your Lordship, in this matter. On behalf of Mr. Paul, Lordship.
Mr.
Mr. Paul, Lordship.
This is also ready for hearing.
Lordship.
Your Lordship, I am for the respondent number 123, Your Lordship.
Where are the order sheets? Where is the informative book?
Lordship, we haven't filed, Lordship.
Huh?
Will be filing before the next date, Your Lordship.
Then you have not said so.
So I apologize, Lordship.
Paragraph. This appeal is not ready for hearing. Paragraph. Advocate on record for the appellants has not filed an informal paper book in terms of our order dated 30th January 2025. Full stop. He prays for accommodation to do the same. Full stop. Time to file the paper book is peremptorily extended till when?
1 week before the hearing, Your Lordship.
Till 17th March. A copy of the paper book should be served on the respondent's advocate on record by the above date. Paragraph. As you insert that line, is not a regular bench, next date of hearing will be notified.
Obliged, Lord.
Obliged, Your Lordship.